everyone, it's Madhu from Familylinks, and I want to say thank you for sharing your time with me today, whenever, wherever you are watching this video. I want to talk to you a little bit about feelings. I know with everything going on in the world right now, we all must be feeling a lot of different feelings, maybe big feelings, small feelings, good ones, or even bad ones. And I want you to know that whatever you are feeling right now, any kind of feeling or emotion, it is completely okay. Something that I like to do when I have a lot of feelings going through my head and my body that when I want to sort out is I like to use my feelings box. A feelings box is an invisible box that every single person has. You have one by yourself too. So right now I want to ask you to grab your feelings box. It could be anywhere around you. It kind of follows you around wherever you go. It's always with you. So grab your feelings box. When you have it, open it up. Inside of our feelings box, I want you to think about some of the negative feelings, the bad feelings, the anger, the sadness, the madness, the anxiety, the frustration, any of those negative feelings. For me, when I feel some of those negative feelings, I feel them in my chest and they feel heavy, in my heart, and they make me feel weighed down. And on my shoulders, they feel heavy. So with all those bad feelings, I want you to think about an example, maybe or two, of some of the bad feelings that you might be feeling. Maybe it's a fight that you got into with your sibling or your friend, or maybe it's a homework problem that was just really hard, or maybe it's just some anxieties or fears and confusion about what's happening in the world right now, because it is pretty scary and everything is new right now. So I want you to use all the muscles in your body and think about that heaviness, and I want you to lift those negative feelings, that heavy feeling, and put it into the box. All of that negativity, all of those bad feelings, I want you to lift that heaviness off of yourself and put it into your box. Take some time to do that. I'm gonna make sure I get all the heaviness and all the negative feelings out of my body too. All of that heaviness. And it takes a lot of strength to be able to do that, so good job. Lift it off yourself, put it in your box, and once you have most of those negative feelings in your box, I want you to close it up. Now, with our feelings in this box, we are not just going to throw them away, because the feelings that we put into your box, the bad feelings, the negative feelings, they were in your body for a reason, and so they're real and they're valid. So we're not just going to throw them away and ignore them forever. What we're going to do right now is we're putting them in our box so we can take a break from them. So now we can sit up a little taller and feel light, because right now we only have our happiness and our positivity and those good feelings inside of our bodies. And all those negative feelings and those bad feelings are inside of our box right now. It's sealed up. You can put some tape on it. You can lock it up, tie it up with a string, whatever you need to do to seal that box up. Now, over the next day or week or month or however long it takes, because we're not just throwing this box away, we can slowly work, when we're starting to feel better, to unpack this box. So when we're feeling a little better, maybe we can open this box and take out one of those bad feelings. And we can try to fix that bad feeling. We can try to make it into a positive feeling by dealing with whatever negativity that is, so that when it becomes a good feeling again, we can put it back into our body. And like that, we can slowly begin to unpack all of that negative feelings and all of that negativity that lives in our box that we took out of our bodies. And then we can slowly unpack that box and take all those bad feelings, turn them into good feelings, so we can put them back into our bodies. So now that you've taken all those bad feelings and put them into that box, make sure you get all of them, all the last little drops of those negativity and all those bad feelings. I want you to really do one last lift, one last pull out of your body, put it into that box and close it up, seal it up the best you can, however you want to. I want you to just push it aside. And later, when you're feeling a little better, or when you feel like you want to start unpacking that box, you go ahead. And you can unpack that box alone. You can unpack it with a friend, with a grown-up, whoever you need to unpack that with, and however you want to deal with those negative feelings, that time is yours. But until then, right now, I want you to sit up a little bit taller and feel the lightness in your heart and in your body, and just think about the positive things and let those positive feelings really go all the way through your body. Make yourself feel nice and light. I hope you enjoyed that little activity, and please remember that you can do the feelings box and use your feelings box whenever you want, because it is always with you. Even when you think you left it in the other room, just think about it and it'll appear in front of you so you can find it. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you all again very soon.